There are several ways to earn money from Twitter. Here are some strategies you can consider. 1. Sponsored tweets. If you have a significant following and engaged audience on Twitter, you can collaborate with brands and businesses to promote their products or services through sponsored tweets. Brands may pay you to share promotional content or endorse their offerings with your audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and promote affiliate products or services on Twitter. You can earn a commission for each sale or conversion generated through your affiliate links. Ensure that your promotions are authentic and add value to your followers' lives. 3. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or tutorials. You can use Twitter to promote and sell these products, directing interested followers to your website or sales page. 4. Offer consulting or services. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, you can leverage Twitter to promote your consulting or freelance services. For example, if you are a social media strategist, you can offer social media consulting services or manage clients' Twitter accounts. 5. Crowdfunding. If you have a creative project, cause, or initiative that you would like to pursue, you can use platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to crowdfund support from your Twitter followers. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or personalized experiences to incentivize your followers to contribute. 6. Sponsored live streams or Twitter chats. If you have an engaged Twitter following, brands may be interested in sponsoring live streams or Twitter chats that feature their products or topics related to their industry. You can charge a fee for hosting these sponsored events and engaging your audience in real-time discussions. 7. Brand partnerships and collaborations. Collaborate with brands that align with your values and niche to create sponsored content or joint marketing campaigns. This can involve creating co-branded content, hosting giveaways, or participating in events or product launches. 8. Social media management. If you have proven expertise in managing social media platforms, including Twitter, you can offer your services as a social media manager. Help businesses manage their Twitter presence, create engaging content, and grow their following. 9. Twitter ads. Consider running Twitter ads for your own business or offering advertising services to others. Twitter ads allow you to promote tweets, gain more visibility, and reach a wider audience. You can charge a fee for managing Twitter ad campaigns on behalf of clients. 10. Donations and tip jars. Some users on Twitter set up platforms like PayPal or Buy Me a Coffee to receive direct donations or tips from their followers who appreciate their content. You can share your payment information on your profile or in your tweets, allowing followers to support you financially if they wish. Remember to comply with Twitter's guidelines and regulations when engaging in any monetization activities. Building a strong and engaged Twitter presence takes time and effort, so focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and nurturing relationships with brands and followers. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.